Guys, welcome back to AK Tech. So today I'm going to say something which is my favorite among features in this iOS 14. But wait a minute. My review is going to be very apart this time. You know what? I'm gonna there are like quite a few of launches like for iOS 14 betas for iPhones and iPads, but I have tested on my iPad. This is a brand new version of the iOS 14. Just like 2 weeks before, I just updated this iPad to iPad OS 14. So you can see some top features I'm going to show you. So let's go. So first let's test the hardware out. Let's see if there is any improvements in the hardware to in this brand new software update. Okay, let's check it out. Still the touch ID is same as before, but that's a quick and quite fast response. And let's check the app store if any changes is there. It's quite same, but first important feature I really liked about iPad OS 14 is that it offers a very compact UI, and you can see there are some brand new widgets on the left. You can see it's very handy and very useful. I really love this brand new software update which is given by Apple. Hats off to them. And you can see how better it looks like. You can see there's a battery monitor here. If you had any other Bluetooth devices also to the connected to this your iOS device, it might show here its battery percentage. And up you can see you can even remove or add widgets, which is okay. And second thing, there are some brand new wallpapers. You know, every time when a brand new software update comes, we just keep on changing the wallpaper. So let's see what new wallpaper is there. So you can see right here there are like some brand new stills and some more dynamic stills wallpaper. But I'm not a fan of dynamic wallpaper. I really like stills. So you can see here there are some brand new wallpaper of the stills. The up one you can see right here, these are the iOS 14's wallpaper, and down these are iOS 13's wallpaper, and these all are default or stock wallpapers. But among this, I really like this wallpaper a lot, and I'll show you without dark mode how it looks like. It just looks like this without dark mode. With dark mode, it just looks like this. Wait a minute. Okay, it just looks like this. But anyways, I have kept to the stock wallpaper, which is this, which quite new iPad come along. So it's not a big thing. The third thing which I want to say is that the improved maps, it's more good and efficient than before. It's like perfect, and your location accuracy is more better than the before, and quite new changes have been come. And yeah, the fourth, then the last thing I need to say, it's very big improvement than before. You could now, if you have an iPad or iPhone without FaceTime, now you will get it on the iPad OS 14 without any cost. Yeah, this iPad is not a cellular version, or you can't get any FaceTime, but after updating it to iOS 14, quickly I'll just show you. So you can see that I have updated to the uh, iOS 14 and OS 14 is, yeah, I just updated it. So I was saying the last and the best thing which I need to say, the fifth one is the Siri. You know, the Siri, the voice assistant, is usually very big if when we long press it. but now it's totally different. I'll just show you how it looks like. So you can see it just looks like this, like very compact, very compact and very fast, I need to say. Even in loading apps also it's very fast and very good. And you can see how it's looking like the UI. Some people they say it's like copy from Android, but still we got to see something new in iOS. Perfect, good. And even the heavy apps also we can load very fastly and very good, so it's not a very big thing. So let's ask Siri some questions. Hey Siri, what's the weather? So you can see right there the animations are very better, and you can see it won't show like a full screen, but it's like very compact, no problem. Now one more thing I need to show you. Where is that? So you can see right here, this is other thing I need to show you, the sixth feature, which is very important, but for that you need a Apple Pencil. Now I'll just show you. So you can see that like I've connected the Apple Pencil, so you can see the logo is there. So Apple Pencil, how much percent charge has been there, that and all. Okay, leave that. Now I'll show you the great feature right now. So now you can see that I have wrote something with the Apple Pencil. Now if we make this letters, you can see right here, I'll just select these letters, okay, and you can see there's option copy as text. If we copy that, and you can see right here, we can just paste it. How cool is that feature, man? How cool is it? But it have been spelled something wrong, and I have wrote something and it can't identify what I wrote. No problem, that bugs and fix will be improved in the next software update. One more feature I need to show you. Now you can see this is the search column, and I'm gonna write something. And it will just, oh my god, you can see it works well. This is called Scribble features. I'll just show you how it works. Boom, it works properly. And you can see this feature we get only in iPad OS 14, and really they have made a big software changes in this, and good thumbs up to Apple. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Watching the video, you need to do is go to the channel quickly and just subscribe and turn on the notification. Thank you.